I'm excited to share this chicken taquito recipe with you. It's a perfect snack or a nice light meal when paired with a salad. I love it because it uses simple ingredients that everyone in my family loves, easy to access, affordable, and comes together so quickly, and it can be frozen ahead. Let's get to making them. We need to assemble our filling. Now, I have cooked up some ground chicken for this batch, but I often use a pre-cooked chicken or leftover chicken as well. So I'm going to combine the chicken that's cooled a little bit, and I am going to add my cheese, corn, green onions, the salsa, taco seasoning, the cayenne pepper, as well as the green chilies. Mix this together. I'm going to take a large baking sheet. We're going to grease it because we want our outsides to become a little bit crispy. Turn our oven on to 400 degrees, let that preheat. Now that it's all stirred, you want to taste test this, and because all the ingredients are cooked, it's perfectly safe to do this, and it'll make sure that it's exactly what we want in our filling. That is so flavorful. It's perfect. I'm going to take one tortilla. There, I'm going to put a line of filling across the center of my tortilla. Now I'm going to roll it over, and now I'm going to bring this back a little bit. See how I'm tightening this and bringing it back, tucking it under a little bit, and that'll help me create a nice tight roll. And so then I just roll it. And this is going to go on my baking sheet with the seam side down so that it will hold. When you place them on the baking sheet, you put the seam side down and leave little spaces between the rolls so that they can get a little bit crispy on the outside. Now I'm going to brush with a little bit of oil. It helps make them a little bit more crispy, and in the oven they go.